How to use a torque wrench. First off, you have to identify the measurements. This is foot-pounds, and then when you turn it over, typically you're gonna have Newton meters. In this case, we're usually using foot-pounds. Now on a torque wrench, you're gonna have a release mechanism. And what I mean by that is when you press down this button, you're gonna be able to turn this left or right. When this button's up, it's locked in. So in order for us to adjust it, typically a torque wrench is set at a certain level when it's stored. You're not supposed to store a torque wrench above that certain level. And typically it's 10 or 20 foot-pounds. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna release it. Ours is at 20 foot-pounds. And we're gonna turn clockwise, and that's gonna move it up. And in this case, we're gonna aim for 80 foot-pounds. And if you look here, we have 50, 60, 70, 80. And 80 has this little tiny notch. It starts at 80 and then it dips down. And what we want to do is we want to turn this, and there's these numbers right here, and these numbers go up to 10, and right here is 0. So what we want to do is we want to turn this until we get the 0 right at the 80. And we're going to do one more. And we lock it in. If you see, the 0 is right at the 80, so that's 80 foot-pounds. Now, if we wanted more, if we wanted 85, all we would do is we would look at these numbers and we would go to 5, right there where the 80's at, and then we'd stop, and that would be 85. You see, it's a little above the 80. And when you're done, you're gonna go ahead and lower it down to the storage specified position. And that's it.